Good morning. Please stand up. May please lead the prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, you may now sit down. When I call your name, you will say, Present ma'am. Montejo, Carcueva, Agnieszko, Cadilla. Okay, very good. No one is absent today. Good morning once again. I am your science teacher and you can call me Teacher I. Okay, class, how are you today? Are you ready for our discussion? But let me ask you first, what was our topic yesterday? Can you recall? Think. Okay, very good. Now, I have here a picture. What do you see in the picture? Okay, it's a gomamelo flower. Who have this in the backyard? Now, our topic in this morning is all about sexual reproduction of flower plants. Now, what is reproduction of flower plants? Flowering plants reproduce sexually through a process called pollination. The flowers contain male sex organs called stamens and female sex organs called pistils. The anther is a part of the stamen that contains pollen. This pollen needs to be moved to a part of the pistils called stigma. Pollination can take place only between plants of the same kind. If the pollen from a papaya blossom lands on a guava, for example, no pollination occurs. A mango flower must be pollinated by pollen grains and from another flower. When an insect small birds visit a flower, the animal transfers the male sex cells from one flower to another. This transfer is part of the process, the sexual reproduction in the flower. In fertilization, a male sex cell joins with a female sex cell to produce a fertilized cell. After fertilization, the ovules develop into seeds. The seeds contains the embryo. Ovules develop into nature seeds, while the ovary develops into a fruit. A fruit is ripe ovary that contains one or more nature seeds. When conditions are proper for growth, seeds undergo germination. Germination is the growth of an embryo into a young plant. Class, naintindihan ba? Okay, I will give you an activity. The class will be divided into 4 groups. Each group will present growing activity of a gomamelo flower and label with their parts. Then, provide some explanation to support your drawing. You may start now. After 15 minutes, you will discuss your drawing activity in front of your classmates. Okay? Time is up. Explain your drawing. Group 1, 2, and 3, 4. Very good explanation. Please clap your hands. Clap. Okay, class. Get one whole sheet of paper. Conduct an observation of your environment. List some flowers on what you have on your surroundings. The question is, does every pollination occur in every reproduction? What are your evidences? Okay, you have 15 minutes. Okay, class, please pass your papers. Done or not yet? Okay. Please take note. It's your assignment. Cut some picture of the reproduction of flowers. Paste it on your science portfolio. Highest point will be given the most creative word. Gandahan ha, para mataas yung scores natin. Is there any question regarding with the topic? Anyone? If none, okay, let's stand up. John, please lead the prayer. Thank you for listening today, class. Please study our lesson for tomorrow. Short quiz. Goodbye and thank you.